I have to bring back these. I'm sorry. It seems it's been very hard for me. And I'm sorry about it. I'm quitting. Yeah, I've seen things have been very hard, and it's not working out for me, so I'm quitting. Skip the Ohio vodka. Tell them the truth. Okay, guys, yeah, I'm not quitting. I haven't even been doing this for I've been doing this less than a month. That's April Fools, right? As a goal, if you guys knew I wasn't gonna quit. It's very obvious. I haven't even been doing this for a month. This is my life. I don't care if it's been hard. I'll do it. As you might see me doing this now, I will do a separate video on this.